Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tariro and I like to do African print DIYs. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this necklace. It's just a simple ruffle necklace with an elastic. You can actually wear it over your head or yeah, something like that. But I also did put a clasp at the back, and I'm just going to show you that in this video.
So this DIY does not require a lot, and as usual I will list all the materials in the description box, so please do check that out. First I cut about 5 inches of fabric. The length is about 1 meter and I cut 2 pieces. Then I now cut that shape on the edge to just make it look pretty. I then folded over about an inch on the other edge and then I pinned it down. Then I sewed that on the sewing machine. Now I use this elastic rope. It doesn't have to be elastic, it just needs to be enough to go around the neck. Then I inserted it into the seam using a safety pin. Then I also inserted the other piece. You can actually join the pieces together before inserting the rope in. Lastly, I attached the lobster hook and so if you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments section and I'll be happy to answer all your questions and clear everything out for you.
Subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Like my Facebook page, it's at African Print Fashion South Africa, and please follow me on Instagram at Beautarie. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box as well. And as part of this DIY I also made these slippers. You can make these slippers for yourself, you can make them as a gift. It's a very simple DIY and I hope you guys will like it. And so thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really excited that you could join me here today, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And so have a great day. So have a great day and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye.